SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019 adds some powerful new enhancements that give you greater flexibility when generating first article inspection reports. When creating a new inspection project, you can now add custom properties from either the drawing or its associated model. Simply choose to add a new custom property, then choose from a list of predetermined property names stored in the project template. Next, selecting a new value displays all of the available custom properties on both the drawing and model. Any number and combination of both drawing and model properties can be added to a project, enabling quality teams to leverage even more SOLIDWORKS design information. Inspection 2019 adds support for even more annotation types. You can now choose to extract and balloon whole table information as part of the project. Once all the annotations have been ballooned, the extracted characteristics are displayed in a new tabular layout, making it easier to view and manage all the information from the drawing. Inspection now includes many more options for managing the grouping of characteristics, giving you complete flexibility over the way in which annotations are ballooned. For example, using the Ungroup option, this whole callout can be split into multiple items. Now each whole size and depth are identified as individual characteristics, each with their own balloon, and can be modified independently of one another. At any time, characteristics can be regrouped together, either with a single shared balloon or as a subset of the same item, giving you complete control over the way in which project information is displayed. With all the great enhancements in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019, you can now generate your first article inspection reports more efficiently than ever.